Hello everyone. If your BSNL broadband or FTTH isn't working, then you need to raise a complaint on their website, which is selfcare.bsnl.co.in. Google it and open the correct link. Now enter your username and password. Username is nothing but your email address which you gave while getting the internet connection. So enter that email address as username and then enter your password. If you don't remember the password, click on reset password thing and you'll get an OTP on your mobile to reset the password. Also, enter the correct captcha or else you'll have to enter all the details again. Now click on login. On this page, you'll see the connections you have. Fiber here means internet. The voice one is for your landline. As we have a problem with the internet, we'll click on Bharat Fiber. Now here on the left side you'll see register complaint option. Click on it and then click on raise technical complaint. Now again you have to select the connection for which you want to raise the complaint, that is Bharat Fiber. Then you have to select the complaint type. As you can see, there are so many complaint reasons to choose from. Select the most appropriate one. If nothing is working, select completely out of order, or else select no internet connection. I have selected no internet connection option. Then write a good description telling the exact issue and when it started and also the problems faced by you because of the issue. Check the description again and then click on the next button. On this page you can preview all the details of the complaint which is about to get submitted. Cross-check it once and then click on submit complaint. You can see your request was submitted. To verify, again click on register complaints and then track my complaints. Here you will see all the previous complaints and the top record should be the complaint you just submitted with the same description. If you see it, that means your complaint is registered and now wait for them to fix your internet, which can take many days. And that's it. You can log out from the BSNL website. Thank you for watching the video. Consider subscribing if you found this video helpful.